Hi everybody, thank you so much for sending me all your fantastic character designs over the last week. Now, this week we're going to continue with character design, but instead of working with 2D designs, we're going to make some 3D stuff. So get ready to have a look around the house and see what packages or boxes that you were going to throw away that you could actually reuse to create something special. So I'm going to show you a video and give you a bit of advice, and after that I would like you to create something of your own. Then I'd like you to take a photo of it and send it on Seesaw so I can have a look.
Mr. Gadbury's art task.
Firstly, we're going to flatten out our piece of cardboard and flip it over so that we are drawing on the other side. You can cut it to make it the size that you want to, but when you do start drawing, think about where the face is going to be and where the rest of the body is. I'm going to be making a monster, but instead of a scary monster, I'm going to make a nervous monster. Sometimes the best characters are the ones you least expect.
Okay, I'm sure you have some fantastic ideas, so good luck, and I cannot wait to see what you come up with.